We have good news for expanding and startup cannabis manufacturing companies. Seedcrest can help your business expand and create new jobs with access to up to 75% of NM state reimbursement funding. As a recruitment and training company, not only can we staff your company fast with qualified employees, but our turnkey funding processes guarantee you will meet important deadlines. Imagine hiring top talent while saving big. Sounds like a dream, right? Since 2019, Seedcrest has secured over $1 million in funding for businesses like yours. Here's how it works. JTIP covers 50 to 75% of employee wages during training. And if you partner with Seedcrest, you can earn an extra 5% funding bonus. We handle everything: the application, staffing, training, and claim process to ensure you complete the project. Plus, our trusted relationships ensure smooth approvals. Partner with Seedcrest for a seamless experience and maximize your funding capabilities. Ready to find out if you're eligible? We pre-qualify companies with a simple questionnaire. Your team is one step away from the equity and funding resources that you deserve to grow your business and start new jobs. Visit myseedcrest.com or contact Seedcrest at info@seedcrest.io.